In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Canva designs into Systeme.io. We'll start inside Canva, go to the Canva homepage, and open the design you want to use in your Systeme.io page or funnel. Once your design is open, click Share in the top area of the screen, and then choose Download. At this stage, you'll need to select the file type. Choose PNG if you want higher image quality, which is usually best when you want the design to look crisp and professional. Choose JPG if you want a smaller file size, which can help your page load a little faster. After selecting the format that works best for your goal, click Download and save the file to your computer. Next, switch over to Systeme.io and go to your dashboard. From there, click Sites, then open Sales Funnels. Select the funnel where you want to place your Canva design. After that, click into your opt-in page and then choose Edit Page so you can open the page builder. Once you're inside the editor, add an image element by dragging and dropping it onto the page. This is the easiest way to place your Canva design directly into your layout as a regular image. After the image element is on the page, click on it to open its settings. Then click the Upload icon and choose the option to upload a file. Select the Canva design you just downloaded from your computer. When the upload finishes, click Insert to place it into the image element. Take a moment here to check how the image looks on the page. If needed, you can reposition the element within the layout so it fits naturally with the rest of your content. Once everything looks good, click Save so you don't lose your changes. If you want to use the Canva design as a background instead of a normal image, there's another option. Click the settings icon for the section where you want that design to appear. In the left panel, scroll down until you find Background Image. Then click the Upload icon and upload the same Canva file, just like you did with the image element. After that, set the display option to scale without cropping or full center. These settings usually help the design display more cleanly, depending on its size and proportions. Finally, click Save again to apply the background update. That's it. Your Canva design is now added to your Systeme.io page, either as an image element or as a section background, depending on the look you want.